friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new rice for review. And in today's video we are going to review the Daawat Pulav Basmati Rice. So this is the Daawat Pulav Basmati Rice. This is a 5 kg pack that I have here. And today we are going to review this rice for you all. So starting off with the packaging of the product comes packaged in this bag style packaging right here, with this plastic bag packaging. Right on top we can see the Daawat branding and then the name of the product, which is the Pulav Basmati Rice, with the face of their brand ambassador, which is Sanjeev Kapoor, who is a master chef in India, a very popular chef in India. So, and then here it is, really slender greens. So that's a tagline right here. The net weight of this rice is 5 kgs. And the finest basmati for the finest cuisine, it says, makes every dish a masterpiece. So let's go behind the bag and check out. Okay, coming to the specialist meter, aroma wise it is low on the meter at 7.5, but when it comes to slender, length and flavor, it's 10 out of 10. This is the first time I've seen a rice getting a 10 on 10 for 3 of the parameters out of sorry about that, out of 4. So it has got 10 on 10 on 3 parameters right here, which is an amazing thing. Moving to the back of the pack, introducing Daawat Specialist Basmati Rice. You vary your spices and ingredients for every dish. Now finally, there's a range of specialist basmati that enables you to use just the perfect kind of basmati rice for every recipe. I consider, now this is from Sanjeev Kapoor, celebrity chef and culinary expert. I consider a pulao to be an elegant and a centerpiece of my table. The slenderness, pearly, white, sheen, flavor of the basmati are all important for me, and preferred choice with a guarantee of perfection is Daawat Pulav Basmati Rice, he says. Then they have given a recipe right here on the pack, like you can see this, I'll show it to you all. So they are given a recipe of Sanjeev Kapoor's special recipe, wild mushroom and paneer pulao, in which he's going to use 6 to 8 mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, 6 to 8 small guchi, 6 to 8 button mushrooms, 1 cup pulao basmati rice soaked and drained, 1 cup paneer, 2 to 3 garlic cloves minced, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 medium onion, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds crushed, 2 teaspoons dried fenugreek leaves, salt to taste, a few spring fresh coriander leaves, 4 tablespoons of oil. So that are the ingredients of it, and then they are given the method, so I'm not going to run through that method right now. The net weight of this rice is 5 kgs, guys, and the MRP or the price of this rice is rupees 625 for 5 kgs. So yes, a bit on the pricier side, but definitely a good choice here. Like looking at the export meter, I feel this is the best of Daawat, I feel. Like compared to any other Daawat biryani basmati rice that I've checked out or I have reviewed, I haven't seen any of them getting a 10 on 10 on 3 parameters out of 4. So this is the first time I'm seeing a 10 on 10 on 3 parameters out of 4. So I'm really excited right now to go ahead and try it out. So yes, this is about the packaging. Let's go ahead and open the rice. So yeah, one more thing about the packaging, you can actually see the rice from outside itself because there's a transparent patch here through which you can see the rice. So let's go ahead and open the pack and check out the Daawat Basmati Rice. So right here, I'm just tearing it open a bit so that we can check it out. We're just going to take out a few grains of rice to show you. So guys, here the length of the rice is nice, so it grows double the length when it's cooked. That's the best part of it. Yes, a bit low on aroma. It doesn't have the same aroma that the other basmati rice from Daawat have. So it's a bit low on aroma, that is fine. But the other specialist meters show a 10 on 10, the slender length and flavor are showing a 10 on 10. So I can't wait to go ahead and cook this up and try it. So let's quickly make something out. I'll make some steamed rice itself or a pulao from this rice, and let's come back and do a quick taste test of the Daawat Pulav Basmati Rice. So guys, we have cooked the Daawat Pulav Basmati Rice and we have made a pulao out of it. Here I made paneer pulao, and right now you can see the length of the rice. It has become very nice and long, and yes, it's nice and slender. It doesn't like a thick rice. It's nice slender rice that we have here. Every grain is cooked separately, and which is very nice. And the size of the grain, it elongates twice the original size of the grain, which is very nice and amazing. It looks very pleasing to the eye. And right now we are going to do a taste test to see the flavor of the rice. So here I'm just going to take a spoonful of the pulao. We are going to do a taste test of the Daawat Pulav Basmati Rice. Very nice, slender grains of rice. Not at all chewy. Very nice and soft. And very much flavorsome the rice is. To get the perfect rice, it is basically the way you cook it, and the closed pot method is the best way to cook it. I feel you get the perfect rice with it. So the Daawat Basmati Pulav rice, the Pulav Basmati rice is definitely an amazing rice for making pulaus. It looks really yum and delicious from the looks of it. Nice and slender grains of rice here. And each grain of rice cooks separately. It doesn't stick together. All you need to do is add some oil while cooking it, so it doesn't stick together. That's the best part of it. And it is very much flavorsome and slender. The rice grains are slender. They are not thick, so they are not very chewy as well. So that's the best part of it. So guys, if you all are looking to buy the Daawat Pulav Basmati Rice, it's available online on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.